Akala mo okay lang mag-start ng business kahit hindi pa registered? Think again. Alam mo, maraming founders or business owners ang ganito. Test muna natin, then pag kumita, saka tayo mag-register. But here's the reality. Under the law, once you are doing business and earning, required ka na mag-register sa BIR. Hindi siya optional, hindi rin siya na kung ready ka na, no? It's actually required. And here's the part most people ignore. If you operate without registration, may penalty, minimum 5,000 to 20,000 pesos plus possible imprisonment. Yes, seryoso, merong imprisonment. And hindi lang siya tungkol sa BIR. Hindi rin sapat na may barangay permit naman ako because your barangay permit is not your BIR compliance and online selling does not mean na exempted ka sa registration. So instead of asking, pwede bang hindi na muna ako mag-register, ask yourself, how do I start this business the right way kahit mailiit pa lang ako? Because the goal is not just to start a business. The goal is to build one that's actually clean, scalable, and future-proof. Follow for more real talk on taxes, business, and money.